Hello everyone, we're here today for another experiment. And the title of this video is Forming a Precipitate. I am Candy Castro from BSFT 1B. But before we start, I'm going to introduce to you the materials that we needed. First, we have here a water, an Epsom salt or rock salt, but for this video, I'm going to use an Epsom salt. A piece of ivory soap or regular bath soap, and I'm going to use a bath soap. A paper towel, 2 disposable spoons, 2 empty bottled water with cups, 1 small cup, 1 tablespoon, 1 teaspoon, but since I don't have a teaspoon, I'm going to use a cup that measured 5 ml, which is equivalent to 1 teaspoon. And lastly, a paper. First, we're going to scrape a soap. To make a soap solution, I'm going to put 1/4 of water in the soap cup. And add 1 tablespoon of soap flakes to the water. And we're going to stir, mix, or swirl the solution for about 1 minute until the water is cloudy white. To make hard water, I will put 1/4 cup of water in the hard water cup. And then I will add 2 teaspoons of Epsom salt to the water. Then we're going to mix the solution until no more Epsom salt will dissolve. After putting Epsom salt in hard water, we're going to put the soap solution to water and hard water. The difference of the two is that the water with soap becomes cloudy, but in hard water with Epsom salt, the soap separated from the water. Place a paper towel on the top of a plastic cup to use it as a filter. Pour the soap scum mixture from the hard water cup into the filter. Allow the water to drip through the filter. Collecting the soap scum carefully, lift the paper towel filter from the cup and lay it down. And I'm using a plastic spoon to scrape the solid from the towel and collect the dried soap scum. Add about 3 tablespoons of water to the cups labeled soap and soap scum. After that, we're going to put dried soap scum to its labeled cup and put a soap flakes into the cup labeled soap and stir gently. After stirring, carefully pour the solution from each cup into a separate small bottle.
After putting the cap on each bottle and be sure it is fastened tightly, shake both bottles for a few seconds and compare the amount of bubbles in the two bottles. As I observe, by shaking water with soap flakes has more bubbles than the dried soaps come. After making the water with salt, the first thing to do is wash my hands with water, then apply a soap within 30 seconds. After that, wash it with water again, then dried it with paper towel. Lastly, I will wash my hands using water with salt and apply a soap again, then wash it with clean water. In my observation, when you wash your hands with running water and apply a soap, it is more bubbly. On the other hand, there was no bubble formed when I use a water with salt, then apply a soap.
And that's the end of our experiment for today's video. Thank you for watching.